I thought, cool uncle that knows how to cook, be making him something awesome. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of My Perfect Bite. I'm Micah from micasakitchen&bar, and today's recipe we're going to be doing chicken and yams. Now this recipe got inspired because my nephew moved back to town. He's about 2 years old. Yay high, and I want to give him some super nutritious food as well. I thought, cool uncle that knows how to cook, be making him something awesome. Got some skinless chicken thighs with the bone in. I left the fat on so that it sort of has the ability to render down, create a bit of better flavor so we don't have to use too much salt. Some nice baby yams, purple onions, garlic, green beans, king oyster mushrooms, salt, pepper, and a bit of olive oil. Preheat your pan. Pepper, bit of sea salt. We are going to add a bit of extra virgin olive oil. My nephew means the world to us, and we want to give him only the best. Season side down. Leave the salt. Fire, you don't want it to be too high, so it gives the chicken a bit more time to brown. Onion, just going to use one. These need to be washed. Look at all that beautiful brown. Oh, you can't see that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? About maybe not 3 more minutes on this side, and to get it to about yay color. Mushrooms. So if you're ever cooking a meal, if you're a first-time parent or a first-time dumbass uncle like myself, you gotta cook them stuff that they can easily chew. Otherwise, they might choke and yeah, bad things happen, yeah? Alright, I removed the chicken. I'm gonna be leaving it on the side. Time to cook the vegetables. Onions. Garlic. Mushrooms. I'm just gonna slowly cook all these together. A bit of oil. A bit of pepper. And that is already starting to smell really damn good. Bit of salt as well. You know what? I think at this stage, let's turn up the fire a bit. Oh, whoops, wrong way. Alright, fire's on whack. Put the yams right on top. The yams are cut to a thickness which will cook the same time the chicken is going to finish cooking as well. You're going to nestle the chicken right in. Now usually all that resting juices from that chicken, I would have thrown that inside. But you know what? This is a 2-year-old toddler. I'm not going to be doing that. So in the next few minutes, when the water has sort of reduced a little bit, it's going to be thickened even more from the natural starches of the yam, making this quite an awesome dish. Oh, that's really, 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 really nice. I'm gonna be uncle of the year. Oh my lord. Bring it down to a small fire and let that slowly cook. I found a little bit of spinach in the supermarket. These are grown in Singapore. It's called the Sakura Brazilian spinach. Wow, it's really tasty. And spinach has a great source of minerals and nutrients as well. I'm gonna pop these. I'm not gonna give him the major stem. I think the major stem would definitely put him off. Give it a taste. Oh la la. I'm just gonna toss in the green beans. And last but not least, I'm not actually stirring the spinach leaves inside. I just want it to sort of slowly cook from that steam that's rising up from the top. I put in a wee bit of olive oil at the base because I quite like the flavor of that. And let's dig in, man. Nice piece. Chicken. There you go. This is my super quick and easy chicken and yams and mushrooms. Let's dig in. Oh my gosh. I just thought of this recipe like this morning. Needs more sauce. Thank you very much for joining me in another episode of My Perfect Bite. I'm Micah from Micasakitchen Kitchen and Bar, and I really hope you enjoyed watching me cook this super simple and humble recipe of chicken and yam. Very good, very healthy, under $10. Join me next week where I bring on a friend and we're gonna cook together. It's gonna be so cool. You guys stay healthy, keep those masks on, and social distancing. You have a great weekend. Ciao. If I'm a kid, I have this. Even if I'm an adult, that's if I'm an adult. Chicken's like, yeah, let's get yam, bro. Navi.